Hi everybody, Greg Luczak with Luczak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, bringing you another home listing tour. Property I'm standing at today is 4111 Keats Place. This property is located just off of Airport Road, in between Murray and Academy, so you've got easy access to bus lines, super central location. So you've got a really short commute to Carson, to Peterson Air Force Base, to downtown Colorado Springs, and really anywhere in the city. This house sits on a great little cul-de-sac, so you've got no through traffic, really quiet, great space, and you've got a lot of excess parking here as well. You've got a really big lot, and it's a pie-shaped lot, so a lot of it's not used up on the front. All of it's kind of set up in the backyard. So you've got a big, wide open backyard with plenty of room for you to come out and personalize and make it your own. The property itself is nearly 1,900 square feet. You've got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So you've got 2 bedrooms up and 2 bedrooms down. It's a great ranch floor plan with some recent updating that's been done to it. Let's go in and take a closer look. Now, once inside this home, you greet immediately by nice laminate wood flooring. It's going to run throughout the majority of the main level. You've got a nice open formal living room when you enter. It's got a lot of space. It's a wide room, so it can also be broken up into an office space or a separate dining room or just one big large living room. You've got 2 large bedrooms on the main level as well with good storage space. And you've also got a full bathroom that's been updated with tile flooring and nice surround on the tub shower combo. As you come into the kitchen area, you've got nice white spindles and railings, 6-panel doors throughout the home. You've got a nice dining area with an upgraded brushed nickel ceiling fan and a nice open kitchen. You've got Formica countertops, you've got great cabinet space with upgraded hardware. You've got stainless steel appliances that stay with the home. You've got a nice skylight, so a lot of natural light, and a walkout to that large deck. Again, the basement is fully finished as well. You've got a large storage space down there, a huge rec room. You've got 2 great bedrooms down there as well. Both are really good size. And then you've also got a full bathroom on the lower level as well. So again, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms total, and you've got a great 1-car attached garage. Like with all my homes, this property does come with a 14-month home warranty transferable to the buyer upon closing, so you get some great peace of mind that comes with that as well. For more information on 411 Keats Place, please give me a call directly at 719-271-8888, or please visit my website, www.makespringshome.com. Thanks so much.